So hello and welcome all of you. Today we all are here for the first educational session for our Olympiad, that is Bharat AI Labs Virtual Olympiad, right? So I'm so happy that we've organized this exhibition types Olympiad in which you all will be able to create something, to imagine something, to develop something. So this Olympiad is for the students from grade 6 to 12, and the execution is going from 21st September to 25th September, right? So on today, 21st September, we are going to hear, listen everything about the project ideas, right? So there are three categories, as you all know, that is elementary category, junior high category, and senior high category. Okay. So elementary category is for the little students, and the junior high for the medium type students, and the senior high for the elder students. So the students who are up to 12 years, they can participate in elementary category, and the students up to 14 years, they can participate in junior high category, and the students up to 17 years, they can participate in senior high category. Now, in all the categories, there are two options in which you can participate. Like in elementary category, you can participate in Scratch programming as well as you can participate in Tinkercad designing. So you have two options. Like if you lie in the elementary category, you can opt Scratch programming or you can opt Tinkercad designing also. Similarly, in junior high category, you can go for app development or you can go for robotics as well. Similarly, in senior high category, you can opt Adobe projects or you can go for Tinkercad designing with coding. Now, what is the difference between all of these? So I'll explain that. In today's session, I'm going to explain you about Scratch programming, app development and Adobe projects. मीन्स तीनों कैटेगरी में से एक पर्टिकुलर थिंग आपको मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. Like elementary category में से एक category that is Scratch programming, I'll explain today. Junior high में से app development, I'll explain today. And in senior high, Adobe projects, I'll explain today. And the second category, you'll have the session for these three categories tomorrow. तो हम तीनों कैटेगरी में से जो bold options है, Scratch programming and app development and Adobe projects, we'll discuss these today, and other three categories we'll discuss tomorrow. So let's move ahead. First of all, Scratch programming. So Scratch, I think it's a basic programming language and most of you are well known about this, right? Scratch is a free programming language and online community where we can crack our own interactive stories. We can create stories, games and animations, right? So you are completely free. There is no foundation on your imagination. You can think anything. You can create whatever you want to create. And you can use your creativity in any project. There are so many options. Like if you want to make a changing color project, you can do that. You can make an editing effects project. You can make a Scratch game. You can make some animation based projects. You can make a chess game. You can go for a music game, story imaginations and creations, Pong games, video sensing, color effects, anything. It's completely up to you. आपको किस थीम पर प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है उसकी कोई भी फाउंडेशन नहीं है. You just have to use the platform of Scratch programming. उस प्रोग्रामिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप क्या यूज करना चाहते हैं, किस इमेजिनेशन पे वर्क करना चाहते हैं, क्या क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, किस ब्लॉक को यूज करना चाहते हैं, किस इफेक्ट को यूज करना चाहते हैं, दिस इज कंप्लीटली योर चॉइस. Okay, I'm repeating myself. You just have to use the platform of Scratch programming, but there is no foundation on your imagination. There is no foundation on your creativity. You can make whatever you want to create. It's completely your choice. So Scratch programming is the part of elementary category. So those students who have participated in elementary category, they have to make a project of Scratch of your imagination. Clear? Second option है in junior high, that is app development. So I am going to tell you two platforms, that is Plasmo and MIT App Inventor. What is Plasmo? So Plasmo is an app which makes coding simple. It helps children to start programming even with little or no prior knowledge. Means आपको पहले से programming आती है, very good. नहीं आती है, then well, also good. Plasmo is a very simple platform. So we can try out experiments, develop games, and even we create an app. Plasmo provides you the platform by which you can create an Android app as well as a web app. Similarly, there is one more option, one more platform, that is MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor is also an online platform designed to teach computational thinking concepts through development of mobile applications. So I'm providing you two platforms, but again, you are not bound to them. हमारा जो थीम है दैट इज ऐप डेवलपमेंट. तो अगर आप किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म से ऐप को डेवलप करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन डू दैट. एंड इफ यू वांट टू चूज वन फ्रॉम दीज टू, डेफिनेटली यू कैन डू दैट. So you can make an app from Plasmo, you can make an app from MIT App Inventor, or if you want to make an app by any third platform, definitely you can do that. Again, there are so many options in app also. App में भी आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Like you can make a private tutor app, you can go for a flashcard app, you can go for an app for any handicapped children types, you can make a quiz app, dictionary app, educational games, language learning apps. स्कूल बस के लिए आप कोई ऐप बना सकते हो, पजल गेम बना सकते हो, एनिमेशन बेस्ड क्विजेस बना सकते हो, करेक्ट कार्टून कैरेक्टर क्विजेस बना सकते हो. इट्स कंप्लीटली योर चॉइस. अगेन, we are just providing you the themes, we are just providing you the categories, but you are not bound to any particular theme कि नहीं हमें सिर्फ क्विज ही बनाना है या सिर्फ पजल ही बनाना है. No, not at all. Just create anything, open your mind, imagine. एक एक्सप्लोर कीजिए, जितना आप वर्ल्ड को एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, जितना अपने माइंड से एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. यू हैव टू एक्सप्लोर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड एट लास्ट यू हैव टू मेक एन सिंपल ऐप. क्लियर? तो आपको प्लेटफॉर्म मैंने बता दिया, आपका पर्टिकुलर थीम फाउंडेशन नहीं है, बस आपको एक ऐप क्रिएट करना है एंड ऐप का लिंक हमारे साथ शेयर करना है. क्लियर? नाउ द थर्ड कैटेगरी. So the third is Adobe projects. So this is for senior high category. In Adobe projects, again you have three options. So who is going for Adobe projects? He can choose a flyer option, a web page option, or a video option. तो Adobe projects में आप बाउंड नहीं हो कि आपको फ्लायर बनाना है या वेब पेज बनाना है या वीडियो बनाना है, एंड इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपको तीनों बनाने हैं. यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक ओनली वन. आप कोई भी चूज कर सकते हो. Either you can make a flyer or web page, or you can make a video also. अभी हमें समझना पड़ेगा that what is flyer and what is web page, what is video, and how can we make with the help of Adobe. So flyer is a something like advertisement intended for wide distribution and typically posted or distributed in a public place. तो एक तरह से जैसे आप cards बनाते हो, invitation cards बनाते हो या advertisement cards बनाते हो, those things comes under flyer. So with the help of Adobe you can make flyers. तो एक कैटेगरी हो गई आपकी कि आपको फ्लायर डिजाइन करना है with the help of Adobe Spark. Or if you don't want to go for flyer, don't go, you can choose a web page option. So you can create a web page with the help of Adobe Spark. So web page is a hypertext document provided by a website and displayed to a user in a web browser. So you just have to create a link for the web page and put some pictures, videos, text boxes, text, and anything that you want to create on your own web page, and make a web page URL and send your URL with us. And the third option is of video. अगर आपको flyer भी create नहीं करना है and you don't want to go for web page, you can create a Adobe Spark video. ओके, तो आप वो वीडियो क्रिएट करेंगे एंड वो वीडियो का लिंक हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगे. सो अगेन इन जूनियर हाई कैटेगरी आपके पास एडोबे प्रोजेक्ट्स का एक ऑप्शन है. दूसरा ऑप्शन और भी है, टिंकरकैड डिजाइनिंग विद कोडिंग, बट वील डिस्कस दैट टुमारो. But for today's category, again, you have 3 categorizations, like you can choose flyer, you can choose web page, or you can choose video. Clear? So these are the things that that lies in the category. Now, what are the submission rules? So students have to send an explanation video along with project. Like whatever project you are going to make, you have to send your project link, and also you have to send a explanation video, but the video time should not be more than 2 minutes. Like आपने अगर web page create किया है, तो you have to send the web page link to us, and if you created a flyer, you have to send the flyer link to us, or you have to create, if you have created scratch project, you have to send that project's link to us, and with that link you have to send an explanation video also, in which you will explain that what have you done in the project, which language you used in the project, right? And what is the link, like प्रोग्रामिंग आपने कैसे की है, या आपने जो भी उसमें एनिमेशन डाला है वो आपने कैसे किया है, या आपने अगर कुछ टेक्स्ट बॉक्सेस बटन्स यूज किए हैं तो वो कैसे किए हैं, या आपने उसकी कोडिंग कैसे की है, या आपने उनको लिंक कैसे किया है, एवरीथिंग यू विल एक्सप्लेन इन दैट वीडियो. और यू कैन एक्सप्लेन दैट आपका प्रोजेक्ट कैसे वर्क कर रहा है, उसका फ्लो क्या है वर्किंग का, आपने एग्जीक्यूशन स्टार्ट किया, आपका प्रोजेक्ट कैसे वर्क कर रहा है. Right, so you have to send us 2 things. One, the project link, and second is the video, which should not be more than 2 minutes. सिर्फ एक छोटा सा वीडियो बना रहा है of 2 minutes only. उस छोटे से वीडियो में you just have to explain your working. And working आप हमें वीडियो में explain करेंगे, and आपने जो किया है उसको हम लिंक में चेक कर लेंगे. Clear? All the participants will get certificates, as you all know, and the winners will get trophy with the certificates. Winners will get certificates, also the trophy. Clear? Next thing, आपके जो projects हैं वो आप submit कैसे करेंगे? So I am providing these details to you. You all can take a screenshot of this slide. Elementary category projects. So the students who have applied in the elementary category have submit their projects on this WhatsApp number or on this mail ID. You can send your projects on this mail ID. It's anita.ntce@gmail.com, and you can send these projects or project link and video on this WhatsApp number also. It's Mrs. Anita Rana ma'am. The number is 8006372031. Next, the students who have applied for the junior high category projects, they have to submit their projects to Miss Shivani Tyagi ma'am. The number is 8439157380, and the mail ID is shivani381995@gmail.com. Guys, अपनी कैटेगरी अच्छे से चेक करना, डोंट मिसमैच दिस. एलिमेंट्री कैटेगरी वाले सभी लोग अपना प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करेंगे मिसेस अनीता राणा मैम को. जूनियर हाई वाले कैटेगरी वाले स्टूडेंट्स अपने प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करेंगे मिस शिवानी मैम को, एंड सीनियर हाई कैटेगरी प्रोजेक्ट विल बी सबमिटेड टू मिसेस भावना गुप्ता मैम. The number is 8126699779, and mail ID is bhavna bhavnajaswal28@gmail.com. So don't mix all of these things, right? Everyone has to send your projects and your explanation video on these numbers. So I've shared with you all the WhatsApp numbers as well as the mail IDs. So you just have to send your video links and videos and the project links on these mail IDs. All right. So these are the all things. Now your queries. Thank you very much.